Hello everybody, welcome to Jameel Latif Luxury Channel. Today we are going to go over the top trending, amazing technologies in the world. Make sure you watch till the end. Top 10 amazing trending technologies in the world. Change is the only constant. This applies to your professional life as well. Upskilling yourself is a need nowadays. The reason is pretty simple. Technology is evolving very quickly. We need to identify and invest over time in the top 10 trending technology, which will attract a huge market in 2021. Brain machine interface, intelligent robots, and DNA computing may sound like a plot line from the latest Hollywood blockbuster. But we expect these emerging technologies to potentially have transformational impact on our everyday lives. Thus, we compiled a list of top trending technologies in the world. Number 1, 5G technology. 5G technology is the next generation of cellular network and services. It is expected to provide at least 20 GPS downlink and 10 GPS uplink, which will make the 5G network to be at least 40 times faster than current 4G LTE. This will open door for new services, network operations, and customer experience for telecom operators. Currently, the market is led by Switzerland, closely followed by South Korea and the US. Number 2, Internet of Behaviors, IoB. The collection and use of data-driven behavior is called the Internet of Behaviors, IoB. An example of it is industrial site having employed computer vision to determine if employees were complying with mask protocol and then collecting this behavioral data to be analyzed by the organizations to influence people to follow government protocols at work. IoB can gather, combine, and process data from many sources, including citizen data processed by public sector, commercial customer data, government agencies, social media, public domain, location tracking. Number 3, DevSecOps. DevSecOps is a short for Development, Security and Operations. Its objective is implementing security at the same scale and speed as development and operation, and not just for the sake of it. With the wider adoption of microservices, DevSecOps seems to find its way deeper into our DevOps market. That is not all. Anywhere operational model will be vital for businesses to emerge successfully from the current economy. As its core, this operation model allows for a business to be accessed, delivered, and enabled anywhere. This format is now exploring various other aspects of technology like GitOps, DataOps, and NoOps. Number 4, Intelligent Process Automation. Robotic process automation is basically the idea that anything that can be automated should be automated. This year we have discovered something even more fascinating. Intelligent Process Automation, IPA, in a nutshell allows bots to benefit from the abilities to artificial intelligence, big data, machine learning, meaning they can learn and improve over time. These intelligence bots evolve from if this then that rule. As the adoption of automation is expected to grow, investment in IPA is estimated to reach $232 billion by 2025. Number 5, Tactile Virtual Reality. Innovative technologies offer more immersive experience like AR and VR. Virtual reality immerses the user in a simulated environment. Augmented reality is an overlay of technology in the real world. Cisco forecasts that globally AR VR traffic will increase 12-fold by 2022 in all fields of entertainment. Touch gives us a deeper understanding of the things which cannot be fully experienced by sight of hearing. That is where tactile virtual reality comes into play. It combines the use of several types of technology, including sensor, advanced optics, etc., bundled into the single device that provides the capability of overlay augmented digital content into your real-time space. With the advancement of tactile haptic technology, the touch barrier can now be scaled. Number 6, Big data analytics. Big data analytics have been there in the market for quite some time now. More and more businesses are adopting it to go beyond the traditional ways of data storage and processing. New trends such as X analytics are being used to find solutions to challenges including climate change, disease prevention, and wildlife protection. Big data also give us interesting trends like decision intelligence, which provides framework to help data engineers to design, model, execute, and monitor decision models and process in the context of business outcomes and behavior. In fact, by 2023, more than 33% of large organizations will have analysts practicing decision intelligence. Number 7, human augmentation. Humans have continually experimented and technology to enhance life as they know it. This curiosity has now entered another territory, human augmentation, which basically means taking the help of technologies like artificial intelligence and Internet of Things to not only enhance our daily lives but also to take human intelligence to the next level. Currently, the studies have been racing towards helping people with disabilities with bionics and prosthetic augmentation and curing sickness by experimenting with genes. But the promise is to end existing physical disability or prevent injuries from happening at all. It can also provide opportunities to other creative functions. For example, companies like Neuralink aim to build an incredibly powerful brain-machine interface with power to process magnanimous amount of data. Number 8, Everything as a Service XaaS. Everything as a Service XaaS is a cloud computing term of the extensive variety of service and application emerging for user to access on demand over the internet as opposed to being utilized via on-premises means. It gives you flexibility to customize your computing environment to craft the experience desired, all on demand. XaaS has expanded to incorporate many services such as function as service, IT as a service, infrastructure as a service, security as a service, database AA as a service. As this application become even more portable, computers cycle easier to procure in real time, data integration platforms streamline connectivity, and vendors from cross-platform alliances, that multi-cloud trend might start looking more like an omni-cloud one in near future. Number 9, cybersecurity. With so many organizations undergoing huge digital transformation, awareness of ongoing looming presence of cyber attacks continues to grow, not only for large organizations but also for small businesses. Now, cybersecurity is nothing new, but its trends definitely are. Virtual Dispersive Network (VDN) is a unique approach to cybersecurity wherein a signal is transmitted in such a burst or quantum packets which cannot be covertly read without disrupting their content. Basically, no one can intercept data sent to you without introducing some noise in it. Blockchain cybersecurity is a more modular, responsive security approach by centralizing orchestration and distributing enforcement. It is starting a dawn on the companies that having an effective cybersecurity strategy is not just a luxury but an absolutely necessity. Number 10 on our list today, artificial intelligence. A robust artificial intelligence implementation will facilitate the performance, scalability, and reliability while delivering the complete return on investment. But all projects often face certain issues which make them a challenge for most organizations. But there are new solutions fashioned to face these problems. Artificial intelligence engineering offers to make all a part of mainstream DevOps process rather than a set of specialized and isolated projects. This solves the issue with maintainability, scalability, and governance. TinyL aims to create algorithm to shrink existing deep learning modules without losing their capabilities to pack more computational power into tighter physical spaces. and on far less energy. These revolutionary technologies are set to bring about another revolution and hence in our list of trending amazing technologies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all our future amazing videos.